The main challenge is due to the fact that nitrogen generator is the mostly economic and the mostly, how to say, trouble-free operation for the user. In other words, in all these applications that we spoken before, users are called to continues to exchange nitrogen, cylinder or liquid. Call the gas supplier to supply a new cylinders. Take care about when cylinders are becoming empty, and then a series of actions that means management of the gas. Anytime, sometime the gas supplied is not pure enough and can happen in some cases. Cost matter. Any year is necessary to negotiate cost. Come on, is a series of these to use the gas supplier instead than to produce by themselves nitrogen through a nitrogen generator. When the user purchase a nitrogen generator, the only thing to do is making a maintenance. These operations are generally really easy and not so expensive, at least for Claind generators, because I understood that from peak focused on low technology and the maintenance, mostly important for them in order to make profit on maintenance. This is their focus. Of course, are not helping very much the gas generator or nitrogen generator market. Our philosophy is different. We need to give a customer easy life, less maintenance is possible, and cheaper maintenance when it is possible. And then two different diametrally opposite approach. And this is why many customers that try our solution, our generator, they prefer to continue with our proposals. This the winning of the challenge that we prepared for the market.